This is going to be a much more auditory version of learning for you, for those who really like to listen on the go, but I still encourage you to check out the rest of the content we have in the curriculum, because if you can get down the auditory, visual, and the reading, you're going to feel very comfortable when it comes time to place that first trade. So without further ado, Module 2 begins with what is the stock market, and this is nothing new. It's something that is as old as the 1600s back in Amsterdam, but it is much more commonly used in the United States today via the New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ. Now, what the stock market is it's a place that was created so that publicly listed companies can be traded between buyers and sellers. Why the stock market was created was so that those companies that chose to become publicly listed were able to do so. But the reason they were doing that was to raise capital by listing their company to the public via shares. The New York Stock Exchange and the NASDAQ are two exchanges in the United States that are used for those companies to list their shares. As the company grows, presumably the price point would as well, yielding a return for both the investors as well as the company. Now, why the reason I personally think everyone should know about the stock market is due to the profitability it offers, as well as the long-term effect it can have on you and your family. It can create generational wealth, it can create financial independence for yourself, and it can also facilitate some risk tolerance for you at the end of the day. This isn't a lifestyle that's for everybody, but I think it sounds pretty nice to be able to learn a bit of finance, just a little bit of finance, and at the end of the night you can go to sleep and potentially make money in the morning. So I encourage you to stick around for the rest of this course, and I'll see you in the next module.